In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to place a decal or other piece of text or something like that. First thing I'm going to do is actually create the decal. To do that, I actually go to View, Styles, Face Styles, and I'm just going to create a new one. Under Texture, I'm going to go out and pick a JPEG or a bitmap picture file of the decal I want to place. Click OK. Here there's some different options for the size of the decal. You want to make sure it's 1:1 and on surface, and if it comes out in the wrong orientation, you can turn it here, come back and change that. There's some other things you can change. You can change the appearance, the shininess, reflectivity. This will give you a little demonstration of what it's actually going to look like. Change a bunch of these, and I'm just going to name this decal. I'm going to click Apply, OK, and Apply. Okay, so now that I've made my decal, I have to place the decal somewhere. So I'm actually going to create, wrap it around this cylinder here. I'm going to create a new plane. I'm going to create a tangent plane around that cylinder, and I'm just going to pick an arbitrary angle for this one, and I'm going to sketch right on this plane. What I can do is kind of square it up, and center it on that portion of the cylinder. From there, okay, I've got that. Now I just have to wrap it around. So under surfacing and curves, there's actually a wrap sketch command. What I'm going to do is select that surface that I want to wrap to, right click, and then select the sketch. Finish. Okay, I can come here and turn off the sketch, and I'm going to turn off the plane too. So now I have an area where I want to place my decal, and now I've just got to split that surface to actually create a different surface. So I can paint that surface. So I'm going to split the surface, pick up on all these edges of that curve I just laid down, and for that I get two different surfaces. So that's good, and now I can go back to Part Painter. Under here there should be a decal, and I should make sure it says face. I'm going to put it right on there. So it came out squished and in the 90 degrees clocked in the wrong orientation, so I'm actually going to go back into my style. I'm going to modify aluminum, modify decal, and under texture I'm actually going to change the orientation 90. Okay, so then it shows up. If I wanted to change anything else, I just move this and go back down to my decal and modify any of the other settings. If I want to make it darker, or any of the edges, and you can go ahead and turn that weight. That's what I was looking for. So turn that weight all the way up, and I have my decal.